I'm going to quickly show you the gridded spot annotation tools in Site3D. Now I want to annotate this cut and fill model here at a regular grid of say 10 meters grid spacing. I'm going to go to our spot annotation tools, go to the new spot level annotation tool and just choose a position on the drawing. Now, if we want to, we can change this insertion point so that our grid is at a round coordinate system. I'll just do that one very quickly. And then we choose which model we actually want to annotate. So in this case, it's going to be the cut and fill model, which is this isopachyte height coloring in the background here. Once you tick on grid entire surface, you can see which grid spacing you're going to be using and then click OK. And it automatically then annotates the surface at that grid spacing. So in this case, it's because it's the cut and fill, this is actually annotating the cut and fill depths at this grid spacing around the drawing. If you want to, you can move a text and update all of the text positions relative to their positions in one go, and you can do that with the move annotation text. So I'm going to zoom in on one. If I click it and then move it around, you can see you're moving it relative to a particular point. As soon as you click, they all update as you go, and you can do that multiple times if you want to. If we go to our second project here, so we have a proposed design here with a few roads and some speed tables and some footways. I want to annotate this with levels as well at a tighter grid, so I'm going to go to my spot annotation tools, and again, new spot level annotation. It could be that I do it with a spot gradient as well. They work the same way, but in this case, spot level. Choose an insertion point. In this case, I can leave it at that coordinate, and I'm going to choose proposed design. So if I go to grid entire surface again, but this time choose a smaller grid spacing of something like 2 meters. And because it's a smaller grid spacing, I'm going to reduce the text height to something like 0.4 meters and the Y offset, so something like 1 meter. You click OK and it automatically annotates your drawing like this. This actually automatically updates. So if I go to my centerline tools and move that road, say move this one up here, just bring it up this way something, you can see it automatically updates all of the annotations that go with it. So the spot annotations actually dynamically update with your design. Thank you.